Welcome. Today I am with Nokia 216 and today I will show you how we can make the first setup of this device. So to turn on this device you have to click and hold this button. Right now we can release when Nokia logo pops on the screen. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see at the first we can set language. So in my case I will choose the English. So scroll, then click on the middle button to continue. Right now we can set up pin code on our SIM card. So we have to simply input the code that we set up on the pin on the SIM card. So in my case it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click OK to confirm. And as you can see there we got the warranty notification. So we can just simply click continue on the middle button. And as you can see right now our device is set up, so we can, for example, do other stuff like go for the settings and, for example, change date and the time right here. You can also use auto update time. So let's turn it on, and as you can see after a few moments, okay, it's not going to be turned on, so we have to make it manually. So let's set date. Let's turn off auto date and let's turn it on manually. Okay, so then we can also pick date. So today is 20th of July. And we are in the 2021. So click OK, then just go back, and as you can see our date has changed, and here we got also the exact location. And basically that's how the first setup looks of the Nokia 216 dual SIM. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.